Hey guys, new project for today. I want to show you something. You remember how that hard drive was wrapped? It had really nothing in it. Well, now this, I already opened it because I wanted to see what was in it because I couldn't believe it. Because I was expecting a package about like that. And it's this little one. Okay, this is going to go on the truck. You guys have seen people, well, you've had people pull in front of you. And next thing you know, you've got to slam on the brakes if you can, or you hit them. So I'm putting an air horn on my truck. That'll be this project here. So I ordered this, I got this, and then I also needed a new one of them right there. This goes under the fifth wheel. You put this on your fifth wheel plate, so instead of putting grease on there, you put this on, and keeps it, lets it turn smoother. That's all that is. But I got to figure out a way how to hook that up. I'll show you that. That'll be the next video I make. This video you're looking at, matter of fact. But they had this thing packed. They didn't. Look at the packing on this thing. Here. I mean, you couldn't have got nothing else in there. That's the difference between ordering stuff when they have time to pack it or ordering it during Christmas rush. So, that's the project for today. I'll open this up a little bit and show you what's in there after I do, but we're on our way to go do something, aren't we, honey? What are we going to get done? Pedicure?
Yep.
For them pretty toes?
Yep.
Oh boy, here we go, guys. Stay tuned. Well, I'm sitting here at a place I can pick up any parts I need. I'm going to finish opening this and waiting for Vicky to get her thing done. Toes pretty. Naturally, I must have opened it from the wrong end. Let's see what we got. Well, we got a hose. I'm doing this in my lap, guys, so, you know. Let's see what we got. We got the mini air compressor. And we got the horn. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Okay, that's what I needed to know, is I needed to know the size of the bolts here, because more than likely there's none in the kit. Let's see. Hey, there is. Let's see what we got. Okay, we do have some bolts. Hey, I think them will work. It's got a relay. Alright, that means wiring. And then you got this part. Okay. So, that's what we came in the kit. Alright, I'm going to go in and get some longer screws, because them ain't going to be long enough. I don't know what that big one's for. Might have to look at the instructions. So, let's get to work on that part. Sorry guys, it's so bright out here I can't even see in the camera. Alright, we're still working on the horn. And it's an easy installation, as you can see. I even had, it's so bright out here, I had to have my assistant come out with her. she's showing the light, blinding us. But let me show you what we got going on here. It took a lot of tools to get it to go on. The hardest part was wiring, naturally. But we got it in there. And Vicky loves the sound of the horn. Horn, Vicky, horn. Here we go. That's where I put the switch. I was going to put it under here because I'd already had something mounted in there at one time. I don't know what. But I had to wire it all in. I was going to even just hook it up to the horn. But let me show you something. I can turn that off now. The horn, we searched everywhere for it. And the horn is in here, inside your fender well. No way to get to it without pulling out the inner fender. I wasn't going to do that. So now I have two horns. That's okay. And what I did is I just ran a wire from the battery and put a fuse in it down there. There you go, in case I missed it. But there's a fuse right there, runs in there and feeds that. So we're all fused up. Here is your pump. I found a spot here and I had a little clamp, so that's where we at. There we are. I had this clamp. I just hooked it to that, and it's sturdy. It ain't going nowhere. And you got your ground wire coming off the bottom of your pump there. Like I said, that's so bright I can't see what I'm looking at. So you got a ground wire on your pump, and you got a hot wire. So the hot wire runs from the switch, comes down along the fender well and into here. And then when I hit it, it feeds it 12 volts, which in turn pumps, if you can see that right there, there's the air line. It just slips right on. It comes down, runs through there. You want to make sure you don't kink that naturally. Runs down. Let's see if you can see it in there. Okay, you can see it running there. Runs into here. And then I just bolted it to my air dam right here. So I got two screws showing here that I can paint black if I want, and one there. And then the horn is up in there. I don't know if you can see it because I ain't laying down, but there's the horn installed. And it is quite a bit louder than the original. Enough to make Vicky wince every time I honk it, huh, Vicky?
You have to make me want to knock the crap out of you.
Anyway, guys, if you want to put one of these in, it ain't easy unless you're in a motorhome. The neighbor over there with his motorhome, he's got one in his over there, and he said he had so much room it was just simple. He just plugged it in there. But in a Dodge or some compact car or something, you're going to have to find a place to put it. And so it's installed. It's done. I just got to put all them tools up again now. And we're done with that project. Oh, I did do one other project today. I found this antique, supposedly, beer opener. And I was going to put it out here. Vicky informed me we were going to put it in there. Can you see it? There it is. So now I got a beer opener in there. And we're making ice. I got to clean all this up. Oh, work is never done. Yep. And Terry's been working on stuff over there too. Let me show you what Terry's been doing. Hey, you guys know what to do. Subscribe. I'm not going to show you Terry because I didn't want nobody seeing me shirtless. He don't want nobody seeing him shirtless. Because,
I'm beautiful.
Huh?
I'm beautiful.
I know you are. We just don't want the girls chasing us.
That's right.
So he's put a water pump in here. And so he can pump the water out of the back of those right there. Pump that. He got his hose hooked up right here. And then he can pump it into his RV when he goes boondocking. Water is an important thing. So you guys know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. You could subscribe to his, but he ain't put anything on there in a year. But he's got some old good stuff on there. That's American Nomad RV. Nomad RV.
Nomads.
American RV Nomads. That's it. And then we got Greener in the Gorge. She don't put nothing on hers. But I do, don't I? Subscribe, guys. Thumbs up. Leave a comment. Hope you had a good day. I worked all day. See you later. Bye.